Welcome to Own It Leo, where we offer residential real estate opportunities from learning to owning. Want to boost your real estate profits without the guesswork? In my Level 1 series, we'll go through short, info-packed videos designed to help you maximize your returns. We'll discuss anything from real estate buying tips so you can learn how to spot high potential properties, align purchases with your goals, and stay ahead of the market with real-time insight. I'll show you what improvements make the biggest difference, budget-friendly improvements that are very impactful, and which renovations have the highest return. In addition, I'll provide you investment strategy hacks used to make your deals look more attractive and make more money. These videos are short, practical, and powerful. Perfect whether you're just getting started or ready to take your portfolio to the next level. Start watching and start winning. Your smarter investment opportunities begins right here.